How to scan QR code on Telegram. So first is to ensure that you have the Google Photos application. If not, then you can just go to Play Store, search for Google Photos, and then install this application. Once you've installed this application, locate the QR code that you want to scan, and then upload this to Google Photos. So if the QR code is from Telegram, just tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner, select Share, then tap More, and from here choose Photos, and then tap Upload. Once the photo has been uploaded, launch the Google Photos and locate the QR code. Now below you will see tools that you can use for this photo. Select Lens, and now you can open this in website, copy the URL, or share this code to others. And so that is how you scan QR code on Telegram. Thank you and have a great day.